Are you tired of reading countless books and not being able to remember a single thing from them? You're not alone. I've read hundreds of books, blogs, and newsletters, but my ability to recall any of it is terrible. But what if I told you there are people in the world who seem to have a superpower of memory recall? And what if I told you that you can learn their systems and use them for yourself? Well, that's exactly what I did. I set out to uncover the secrets of the smartest people in the world and how they remember information. And I discovered that our ability to remember things varies wildly from person to person. Some have terrible memories, others have exceptional memories, and even others have photographic memories. But the average memory is messy and unreliable. But can we change that?
I spoke with best-selling author Ryan Holiday, who has read over 3,000 books and has incredible memory recall. He shared with me his secrets to remembering what we read and putting it into practice. He reminded me that it's okay to not remember everything, and that if you take away just one or two important things from a book, it's worth it. He also shared that the key is to actively engage with the material by taking notes, summarizing, and highlighting key points.
So, the next time you pick up a book, remember that it's not about having perfect recall. It's about actively engaging with the material and taking away the important things. Give these tips a try and watch your memory recall improve. Happy reading!